Well, here we are in Secret Beach, and we just finished bringing in this house. It was brought in this morning on a barge. We took it by truck over to the lot, and now it's set up on the post foundation. However, there's still a lot to do, right? So we still have to put in the septic, the water, the solar system, make all the utility connections, and bring everything together to make it a move-in ready home that's ready to go right here in Secret Beach. So why would we recommend a prefab build over a site built home or a more custom home? The fact is there's a number of reasons, but a couple of the top reasons are speed and affordability. It's very fast to build the pre-built homes because they're pre-built in an off-site location where the materials are all under control and the environment is more controlled than it would be on a site-built home, especially here on an island like Ambergris Caye, way out at Secret Beach. It is a more remote location, so when you're building on site, you have to consider moving materials and labor and weather delays and that kind of a thing, right? So the speed of it is very good. It's also very affordable, right? So it's generally more cost effective to build a prefab home off-site and then have it delivered to your home like the one behind me. That's one. Another is that it takes a lot of the risk out of the equation. Again, back to the idea of all the variables here on a place like Secret Beach and Ambergris Caye here in Belize, materials and labor. It takes a lot of that risk off the table. The home is built, again, in a controlled environment, and we pretty much know where we're going to end up when it comes to the budget, right? So from beginning to end, there aren't a lot of changes, and there's very rarely any overages that aren't expected in any way, right? So building it is very cost effective, it's fast, it's affordable, and it's a great way to go. There's also now one of the cons in the past has been the size. In the past, the biggest you could get was 800 square foot unit. The one behind me is a 20 by 40. There are now options where you can combine different size units and make different configurations, so it's not just the 800 square foot limit that you're stuck with anymore. You can have a bigger home, you can have a more customized home. The prefab builder that we work with has really made a strong push to using more higher end materials and creating a luxury brand in the sense that they have, it's not just a prefab home, but it's also a very luxurious and high quality, good looking home with a lot of great features. So there's more to it than just your standard sort of pre-built prefab home. These are very customizable, and there's a lot of options now that are available on the table while still making it fast and affordable. This is what we do here in Secret Beach. We will help you bring in your prefab homes wherever your lot is. We can help you do your site work, your utilities, and help you manage the process for bringing in the prefab home. So if you're thinking about a prefab home, reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you figure that out.